Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to report profile on Discord. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to report profile on Discord, all you gotta do is open up your browser, right? And now once you open up your browser, because you can't report any profile from your Discord app because it doesn't have any options, so open up your Chrome or your browser, and once you're here, just type in support.discord.com, and once you're here, you'll be seeing a page like this, right? Now on the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a 3-bar icon, right? Now just tap on that, and on tapping that, you'll have 3 options. Now tap on submit a request, and once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to this page, and under what can we help you with, tap on it and tap on trust and safety. And once you do that, here you'll see a form, right? Now all you gotta do is fill up this form, type in your email address, and after that select the issue or the reason why you are reporting. Let me just tap on report spam. Okay, and now what you would like to report, here you can select the option, and then you can message the link of the user as well. And now type in the subject why you are reporting this profile on Discord, and if you have an attachment or a screenshot, just add it right here. And now lastly, all you gotta do is tap on submit, and that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.